Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix high ping in Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'm currently using Windows 10, but this should also work for Windows 11. First, what we're going to do is to search for Registry Editor using the search icon at the bottom left part of your screen. Once you have searched for it, this app should pop up, so tap on that and click on Yes. Once you're here, we're going to go through the folders. I'm just going to close this real quick, and you should have all these initial folders. From here, let's tap on HQ local machine and click on this little arrow right beside it to open up the drop down options. From here, we'll find the software folder. It's right here, and we scroll through these and tap on Microsoft and make sure that your drop down options are open. So click on the little arrow and these folders should open up. From here, let's open up the Windows NT folder, scroll through it, and it's right here. From here, we're going to open it up as well and click on current version. Let's open up this current version folder again and find the folder that says multimedia. Open up this folder again and click on System Profile. Now within the System Profile folder, you should be able to see the Network Throttling Index, or it may also say Network Profiling Index. Double tap on that and make sure that your value data has the F letter that is typed 8 times. So one like that, and make sure that the base says hexadecimal and click on OK once that is edited. Now we close all these folders so we can see the main folder. Once you have closed that, let's go under HK local machine again, and let's go to the system folder, open it up, and click on current control set. Open this folder up, open the services folder, and let's find the folder that says TCP/IP. And here is the folder. Let's open this folder up and click on parameters. Open this folder again and click on interface. Open this folder and you might have few folders like these, and what we're going to do is find the folder that has the most files. So let's open each folder up. Have few files here, got a lot of files there, few files, a lot of files here as well. And let's see which one has the most files. I'll go with this folder right here. And what we're going to do, once you have chosen the folder with the most files, we right click on inside this folder, click on new, and click on DWORD 32-bit value. We type in TC pack frequency and make sure that you follow the way I type exactly with the same uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Like that, type it in the exact way, and we created that file. Again, we're going to create a new file. Right click on it, click new, DWORD 32-bit value, and we type in TCP no delay. Again, type it in the exact way that I do, like that, and that should create the file. Now what we're going to do is to double click on TC pack frequency and set the value data to 1 and click on OK. We do the same for TCP no delay, double click on it, set the value data to 1 and click OK. Now we're going to close all the folders again. We still go under the HK local machine folder. Let's go to the software folder and find the Microsoft folder right here. It's right here. Let's open up this folder up and find the folder that says MSMQ. If you don't have it, you can just create a new folder like this. You have to go back to the Microsoft folder. You right click on it, click new, and click this key option. Type in MSMQ and just hit enter so that the folder is created. Now I won't do it since I have the folder, so I'm just gonna undo it. Again, once you have created or once you have found your MSMQ folder, let's open it up. And what we're going to do is right click on inside this folder and click on new and click on DWORD 32-bit value, and we type in TCP no delay to type it the exact way as I do again. We double click on it and set the value data to 1 and click on OK. Now, after that, we click on the MSMQ folder right here, right click on it, click on new, and click on key right here. Now that should create a folder below the MSMQ and name it as parameters. Hit enter, and that folder should be created. From here, right-click inside the folder, click on New, click on the word 32-bit value, and we should type in TCP no delay, exactly as I do. Double-click on it, and again, set the value data to 1, and click on OK. Once you've done that, just exit on the registry editor, and make sure to restart your computer, and your ping should be lowered. And that is how you can basically fix high ping in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.